All right, YouTube, what I want to show you how to do today is how to clean your grout really well. I've tried several different methods to clean this grout in this house since we moved in. The woman that lived here used to burn a bunch of incense or something like that, and it's obviously gotten ground down into the grout. So I just want to kind of show you before and after, and then how I achieved the results. So basically you can see this is an area where I've cleaned, and this is an area where I've not cleaned. And you can see there's quite a bit of a difference between the color of the grout where I've cleaned and where I've not. I mean, look at how nasty that is right there. And then that's what I've cleaned over here. Quite a bit different. It's going to require a little bit of work to get this kind of result, but it's not too terribly difficult and it's cheap. So what we've got here, we've got just straight vinegar in the spray bottle here. This is just water with probably about 2 tablespoons of baking soda and just a couple drops of dish soap mixed together. And this is a grout brush that I got for $3 at Home Depot. The other thing you're going to need is just a bucket of clean water with a microfiber towel or something like that, maybe a sponge, where you can just kind of clean stuff up as you're going along. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to actually attack this grout line right here, just show you the process. You already see the before and after, so I don't think I really need to show you that because that's what that is. I've achieved that result by doing exactly this technique. It's very simple. I'll show you how to do it right now. So one other thing I didn't mention that you might want to invest in is a pair of knee pads because you're going to be down on your hands and knees. That'll just help save your feet and your knees and your back and stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the vinegar and I'm just going to spray a bit of vinegar right into the grout line. Get it nice and saturated. This is really the key to what I'm doing here is the vinegar, because the vinegar breaks up everything that's in the grout line, and then you're able to scrub it out. So usually what I do is I just kind of go around and spray all the grout lines in kind of a small area that I'm going to work in, maybe like a, I don't know, maybe like a 2.5 by 2.5 area or a 5 by 5 area. You don't want to try to cover too much area at one time because then this is going to soak into the grout and it won't be wet anymore. You want it to be wet when you start scrubbing. I'm going to go ahead and just start scrubbing. Anyways, even though it hasn't been a few moments, you will see the grout get lighter really quickly. Just watch. Look at that already. Look at right here versus right here. How quickly that comes out. Like I said, I don't know what this stuff is that's in this grout line. I'm assuming it's some sort of incense or something. But the whole house is like this. It's pretty nasty. There you go. You see that's actually gotten pretty clean already. The next step would be to come back and pour a little bit of the water with the baking soda and the soap. Just scrub it a little bit more. So once you've got that done, just grab your towel and wipe it up. And you can see how much cleaner that grout line is already. Even though it's still wet, let me just show you compared to the one over here. So look at that one versus this one over here. You can see this was visibly dirtier, but they looked about the same when I started here. So right there versus right there, much, much cleaner. But like I said, if you give the vinegar a few minutes to set up and then come back and scrub, that works better. This was just for demonstration purposes. But this is a very good way to clean your grout line, get it nice and clean. It's better than using like a steamer, or I also tried to use one of those V-notch brushes. They go on a long handle and you kind of use it like a broom. That didn't work anywhere near as good as this. I'm gonna have to go back and use this method where I used that. But I hope this helps you out, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel as well. Hit the subscribe button also, and share this video with anybody you think would benefit from this. Thank you very much.